If you're looking for a stylish, easy-to-use umbrella that elevates your outdoor setup while standing up to the elements, the 9 Glide Tilt Custom Octagon Market Umbrella by Treasure Garden is a smart choice. Designed for homeowners who appreciate both form and function, this umbrella brings smooth operation and lasting quality to any patio, deck, or garden space. Its standout feature is the innovative glide tilt system. Instead of fussing with levers or push buttons, all you do is slide the housing up the pole to tilt the canopy. It's incredibly intuitive, no strain, no guesswork, just a gentle push, and you've got the perfect angle of shade as the sun shifts throughout the day. The crank lift makes opening and closing a breeze, and the rust-free, powder-coated aluminum frame means you get long-term durability in all kinds of weather. Plus, you can customize the umbrella to suit your space with a wide selection of premium, fade-resistant fabrics and frame finishes. Backed by Treasure Garden's reputation for excellence, this umbrella blends smart engineering with timeless style, making it a go-to for anyone who wants their outdoor furniture to work hard and look great doing it. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.